The Blind Kitchen logo appears. Fade to black.
Pouring hot liquids into a cup or a bowl with vision loss can be quite intimidating. So I'm going to give you a few strategies, tips, and techniques and tools to help make this an easier and safer task. First of all, if you have contrast available to you, use that to your advantage. For example, if you're pouring a dark liquid, like a coffee, into a cup, choose a light colored cup instead of a dark colored cup to use that contrast. Additionally, I am using coffee now, so I have my white cup on a dark work tray. So that also helps make that coffee cup stand out better for me. The other thing you can do is you can get a liquid alert, which has two wires that hang over just the top edge of the inside of your cup. And when the liquid hits those wires, it sets off an alert. So I know I need to stop pouring or I will be overflowing if I keep going. So that's a nice technique. The other is a wide mouth funnel. The opening on this mug in front of me is about 3 inches, pretty standard. But if I use a wide mouth funnel and put it in the cup, that gives me a much bigger target, about 5 inches. So that's going to mean I have a little more security that the liquid is going to go inside the funnel, which will of course direct it right into the bottom of the cup. So I'm going to reach over here and I'm going to grab my pot of coffee, and I'm using my left hand to know where the cup is, specifically the wide mouth funnel. And now I'm going to pour the coffee and listen for that alert. I'll know when to quit, no guesswork. Oh, time to stop. Scared me. Time to stop. Let me get it out of the cup because that's really annoying, but it's so helpful when it goes off. So I just pulled it out of the cup. I'm setting it down. I'm setting the coffee pot down. And now I'm pulling the wide mouth funnel out. It hasn't been hurt one bit. I'm picking up the coffee and I'm going to enjoy it. Cheers.
She smiles towards the camera. Fade to black. The Blind Kitchen logo appears. Fade to black. Neo Creative Productions logo appears. The logo fades to black.